we are here to introduce you our very first Crafti-Kit bath bomb. This kit itself is packed with all the ingredients needed not to only make one bath bomb, you get to make 14 bath bombs. We have a huge pack of baking soda here for you and citric acid because that is the most common ingredients for bath bomb making. A bath bomb mold, not one but 5, 3 beautiful colors, a skin safe fragrance oil, comes with a beaker, isopropyl alcohol, grapeseed oil. We just made this bath bomb today and this smells wonderful. It comes with full instructions how to get it right. Thank you so much everyone for watching and stay safe, stay in and sanitize.